when I say this thing is flipping clean. 2020 YZ450. This thing looks like it got like 5 hours max. Woo! We're 12 o'clock in her. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We're in the Scooby right now, and we're on the way to pick up a 2020 YZ450F. I'm beyond stoked right now. So let's go on to the freaking seller. Hopefully you don't catfish me and everything goes good. So let's teleport there right now. Bah! Yo, so gang, we're here. As you can see, I finally arrived. It's been like a 2-hour drive, way too long, but we made it to the 2020 YZ450. And yeah, let's check her out, see how she's looking. All right, well, the fork seals look good.
You said fork?
No, I was checking the fork seals.
Oh yeah.
So you know, sometimes the fork seals.
Everything is.
It's good. I just showed him a little MotoBroo snippet. He said we good now. You giving it to me?
You know what? I'm crying. Like,
we got this. So
it was too big for me because I started racing the hair scramble.
Okay.
And for my age, I'm 57.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. You're still riding though. Like
yeah.
when I'm your age, I want to be riding still.
This
so.
one's too much. This one. If you start.
That's the different modes, right?
No, the mode is here.
Oh, that's the mode. I hit my spleen.
Oh God.
Yeah. So
What happened?
Motorcycle crash.
Well, please. Oh God.
No. That was it was on a, like I was riding on the street. Oh, this is good.
Yeah, it's really.
I had to take it out there for just to.
Yeah,
oh, you saw the wheelie?
Yeah, I mean, if something happened to you, I was gonna be responsible.
No, I'm a professional. Professional. Let me grab the money because I'm gonna take it.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
Man,
I gotta take it off you,
it's
bro.
gonna be terrible sleeping tonight.
Hey, I promise you, like I'm gonna take very good care of it, and like
I feel better now.
in like a couple years, I'll probably still have the bike.
No, this one lasts.
All right, we got the bike pretty much all done up on the freaking back of my Subaru, which as you guys know is a little sketchy. Look at the Subi chilling. But yeah, if you ain't low, what you doing, bro? But we gonna make it home. All right, gang, it's the next day. We made it back to the crib, and I really wanted to show you this bike in the daylight because when I say this thing is flipping clean, 2020 YZ450. Homie said it has 30 hours, but as you've seen, he's an older dude, so he probably didn't ride it as rough. This thing looks like it got like 5 hours max, 5-10 hours, like nothing more. So let's check it out. So I mean, bro, even the plastics aren't even too scratched up. Like motor wise, look at that, bro. This thing is just, it's beauty, bro. It's a beauty. Jeez, bro. Get a little walk around going. Like, bro, look at the exhaust too. Like, I feel like you can tell a lot from an exhaust just because this thing can hit the ground so easy. And there's like barely any scratch marks on and nothing where like the bike fell over. He said he's only ridden it in dirt mainly, so I mean, you could just look at the engine and you know, like, bro, this is you did a good deal, Lars. This is a good deal. Only thing is some scuffs here, but that's from the boots. Luckily, it doesn't really have scuffs on the frame. But like, look at this, dude. So when I was looking for a YZ450, I really wanted a blue one. For me, I don't know, the blue, the Yamaha blue, it just does it for me. I think it just looks so sick, and it just like when you're cruising in a wheel ski down the road with an all blue bike, it's just a vibe. But then I found this one on Craigslist, and he said it has 30 hours. An older guy, you know, owns it, rides it, and the condition it was in, like, you can always tell. Sometimes you can tell in the pictures on Facebook, like, yo, this bike is pristine. And like if it looks like pristine in the picture, sometimes you might get catfished, and once you get there you're like, oh dude, this bike ain't it, this bike ain't it. But that ain't the thing with this one, bro. I thought I was gonna get catfished, but nah, bro, he hooked this thing up for $7,300. Like $7,300 for 450. That's like pretty much brand new. Homie gave me an extra tire. Like, too stoked. I'm sort of starting to like that blackish gray color. Sort of reminds me of my DRZ when my DRZ was black. But I do know, like, in the future I do want to make it blue. But let me know what you guys think down below, because blue or black, should I keep it black and gray, or should I make it blue? The Yamaha blue. I'm thinking Yamaha blue. But gang, enough talking. Let's put the flipping helmet on, take it for a little spin. Not no first ride, this is just a little test ride to just show you what's about to come with this 450, because when I rode it last night, you probably couldn't tell because the footage was so dark. It's a beast, bro. It's a beast. Alright gang, we got the flipping helmet on. We got the beautiful YZ450. This dude, it still blows my mind. I got this bike, like, as you guys know, I've been wanting 450 for a good minute, and here we are. So let's take her for a little test spin. First start. Oh my god, dude. This is gonna be, dude, I'm in shock, bro. Like, literally, I don't know. I love you, MB gang. That's all I'm gonna say. Alright gang, here we are. A little test ride. This isn't the first ride. This is just a test ride. And like, you feel it, bro? Yo, they were in line when they said the 450 is a beast. Holy crap. This thing just wants to move, bro. I swear, I don't even know what gear I'm in right now, but it's it's got so much power, dude. Quick little look at what we got going on, bro. Dude, this is clean. Let you look at the other side. Like, dude, this is clean. Alright, let's pull up a little. Oh, dude, we're chilling, bro. Let's go. Yo. This thing right here, yo, dude, bro, I can't wait to just like figure out this bike, because it's just I can't explain what I'm feeling right now. It's just crazy, bro. I'm just blown away, dude. My mind is just, I can't believe it, dude. I can't believe it. We're 12 o'clock in her. Oh my god, dude. Alright, so we're back at the crib, and the bike, dude. As you seen when I was riding it, I was sort of speechless. I was blown away on how much power and just stability the bike still has with having that much power. It's ridiculous. And yes, my bike's in my kitchen right now. The best lighting is over here, so that's why I'm here. But yeah, one last look at the bike, bro. If you guys are interested in like 2019, 2020, or 2021 YZ450, I did my research, and 2020 YZ450 is the best bang for your buck. This is when they changed the frame. They made the frame a little skinnier. They did a few little engine components. So if you're looking for a YZ450 in the used market, of course, I would say 2020 is the way to go. It's the best bang for your buck you're gonna get. I can't stop looking at my baby in the background, bro. But gang, thank you guys so much for the support. Like I said, you guys changed my life, and I really can't thank you guys enough. So stoked to have the 450 in my life. It's been a long time waiting for this moment, and it's finally here. And 2022, bro, we ain't stopping. We're grinding. We're grinding hard. So stay motivated. We got some bangers coming soon. Merch in the description down below. I freaking love you. Thank you for the support, MB gang. You're a real one. Till next time. Peace.